Hello and welcome to my reaction to some Vaundy, and they have a live performance of Chainsaw Blood, ending of Chainsaw Man, at the Dome Tour 2026 Silence at the Tokyo Dome. Fair enough, fair enough. But yeah, I really like the song. I really like Chainsaw Man, even though right now like Chainsaw Man's reputation seems to be going a bit down the gutter. I mean, I haven't seen spoilers myself, but I've just seen that it's a big meme that the ending is bad or something, which, you know, it seems to be just like, I don't know, 9, 10 out of 10 people are not really happy with like a Shonen Jump ending. I feel like I'm exaggerating. I feel like there's so many big name like that over the last few years, you know, like, yeah, I don't know. I think manga artists are like masters, but one thing they're not masters as is how to finish a story, you know? Which is kind of understandable, right? I mean, you get popular suddenly. Before that, you know, you haven't really done like any long stories. Finally, you're doing a long story, but no one taught you how to like end a long story, I guess. But yeah, I have seen the drama about Chainsaw Man a little bit. It's fine. I mean, it's about the journey, not the destination to an extent. I do believe in that. At least personally, as far as my enjoyment. Anyway, that was all the tangent. Let's check this out. Link for the video in the description, the link to the Vaundy channel, my Discord, stream Patreon. If you want to follow, support me, request reaction. Let's go. Nice strip. So man, that's so cool with the crowd joining. That's the best. So man. Mega cool. It's so cool with the fire. I mean, man, the energy, the performance is really in it. I haven't seen much Vaundy live stuff, but really bringing the energy. I mean, this song is super cool in the first place, right? I mean, it's a perfect song for Chainsaw Man, you know, not just because we sing Chainsaw Man in the chorus, right? I think it's more than that. It's the energy, the coolness, the attitude. Yeah, very well done. sorry, I forgot to unmute. My bad. I forgot to unmute. I was saying, like, I can't imagine being in the crowd and, the feeling of, like, dozens of thousands of people singing Chainsaw Man at the same time. It must, like, reverberate throughout your bone. That must be great. Yeah. Okay, I hope I wasn't muted for too long. I make that mistake sometimes. So, man. Oof. Distraction. Let's go. Patchy. Awesome performance, yeah. That was mega fun. It's definitely one of those songs that, I would have on my bucket list of I want to be live and singing with everybody, It must be such an awesome feeling. Seriously. So cool. So fun. Okay, well, yeah. Just awesome song and awesome performance, all I can say. And hopefully, whatever I heard about, like, the ending being bad, maybe there'll be a continuation to make it less bad. Hopefully. I guess we'll see. Hope you guys enjoyed the reaction. Like, subscribe, comment. ちゃんとよろしくお願いします. I'll see you guys next time. See you.